No le pido a las estrellas, mucho menos al sol. Solo pido a la vida que tengas compasión de este simple mortal que te sueña sin parar, que te piensa 10,000 veces por la...
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkling Beauty TV. Happy Mother's Day. I am so excited that in today's special video, I am partnering up with my favorite jewelry brand Linier. Thanks Linier for partnering up in this video with me for the very special day. Linier has been my favorite brand for a very long time. I got the opportunity to pick up some favorite jewelry pieces that I have been eyeing for a very long time. So Linier is a female-owned brand and they focus on women empowerment. When I love any fashion or jewelry brand or any clothing brand, I actually go through their details, I study their background and all. And whenever I came to know that they are working for a good reason, I really fallen in love with the brand. And also their jewelry pieces are sustainable, they're so much affordable, and they actually provide luxury level jewelry pieces for the affordable price. Because this brand is online based and only they sell directly to the customers or consumers, so they don't have any middleman. That's the reason they can actually provide their jewelry pieces for a better price and actually extremely lower price, which is just so good for everyone. So whenever I love any brand, I do study a lot about the story behind the brand, and also I love to see what kind of metal they use, especially if they have like gold and diamonds. I go through pretty much in details to know how their products are made so that I know what I'm wearing. Whenever I was studying and researching the brand, I came to know that their gold vermeil pieces are actually 22 karat gold plated on sterling silver and 5 times more thicker than the regular gold vermeil. So they are much more stronger and their color are much more, stronger and longer to stay. So they're pretty much long lasting, even though they are not 14K gold, they are the gold vermeil. So that's just so wonderful. And obviously you also have the option for forever pieces that are their 14 karat gold and diamonds. So do go to their website and check these very beautiful, their pieces are so delicate, so the designs are like very dainty. I love exactly the way I love my jewelries to be. They're like that, and I have found some very unique pieces that I adore so much. So I have actually picked up this tennis necklace. Oh my god, I love it so much. I have been looking for a tennis necklace for a long time. If you guys have been following my YouTube channel for a long time, you already know that last year I got a tennis bracelet, a diamond tennis bracelet, and ever since I got that, I have been looking for a perfect tennis necklace to match, but I never really wanted to spend so much money on a diamond tennis necklace because the tennis bracelet I'm going to wear every day, but the necklace is probably not something that I'll be wearing every single day, but occasionally. And obviously, I'm not ready to spend so much on a tennis necklace right now. I definitely was looking for something that has the similar sparkle and obviously look very nice in the evening outing or whenever I'm just dressing up. I have been missing a tennis necklace honestly for the longest time, and finally I got this. So this tennis necklace, honestly, it is like super sparkly and so gorgeous, absolutely whatever I was looking for. And I have been using this non-stop after getting this because it's so extremely beautiful, and I don't see myself buying a diamond tennis necklace ever when I have this. So, and comparing to my diamond tennis bracelet, I don't really see any difference on the sparkle. Obviously, I'm going to collect the tennis bracelet also from the brand because because I really now want to wear their tennis bracelet as well, and I don't want to use my diamond tennis bracelet every day, so I can actually match the necklace and the bracelet and use them without worrying at all because they're so affordable. So honestly, now I don't see any reason to buy another tennis necklace, and I will be wearing this with my matchy bracelet every day without worrying, overusing them or losing them. I got this, a couple of days back, but I've been wearing it ever since so much, and it's so comfortable. I don't feel anything. It's so lightweight, and the length of the necklace is just perfect. So I can actually wear it a little bit, tighter because it has 3 different lengths. I'm right now wearing in the middle length, so I can make it a little shorter, or I can also make it a little longer than this because there are 3 hooks, 3 options that you can adjust your necklace, which is amazing. So whatever neck size you have, it is probably going to fit you really nicely. I always love the presentation, especially if it is jewelry. I actually love how these jewelry pieces comes in these little pouches. It is also, the brand name is in the middle. It looks so beautiful and so feminine. So they are like really a good way to gift someone, especially in the Mother's Day. If you want to gift your mother or any woman of your life, they will be so happy to see this beautiful packaging. And also they have many beautiful jewelry boxes. I picked up this beautiful jewelry box. They have many shape and designs. I picked up the smallest one just because this is so good for, traveling. You can actually put some of your jewelries inside, very tiny, but so good for traveling. I have many jewelry boxes, but I don't have anything so tiny like this, and I think it's so good for traveling. And also, if you want to gift someone, you can buy this box with the jewelry so that they will look even nicer. So there are many options for preserving your jewelry securely. When I went to Linear website, I saw this beautiful tennis necklace for such a good price, and it is like, when you wear it, you can't tell any difference from diamond. This is so sparkly, so beautiful, and the perfect size of the stones makes it like absolutely stunning. I don't know how much you can see in the camera, but in person I'm in so much love, and it has been a couple of days that I got it, and I have been wearing it non-stop. I didn't think that I would be wearing it so much. So now that I have this necklace, I don't see myself buying any diamond tennis necklace ever because I don't need to. I don't see any need for that. I'm so impressed and very happy, and it is so high quality. It feels like it is going to last really long. This is the other jewelry piece that I got from the brand. This is this beautiful ring. Do you see how sparkly it is? And I have been, eyeing this ring forever. When I saw this ring, actually it caught my eye just because it is blue topaz, and I really love how it looks. It is very sparkly, even though it is blue topaz, but it has a shine, it has a sparkle in the lighting. I love it. And the blue color, it is like a very beautiful, I don't know how to describe this, not deep like sapphire, but it is a lighter, I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of a teal, not too teal. You have to see it in person. It is so gorgeous, and I'm so glad that I picked it up, and probably this is one of their best sellers. So I'm so happy that I was able to have it, and it was not sold out at the time. So for this particular ring, I actually picked it up in gold vermeil, but you have the option to pick it up in solid gold as well. So if you love only wearing gold jewelries, you can have that option too, but you get the exact same design for the gold vermeil as Well, and as I told you, their gold vermeil pieces are very long lasting, longer lasting than any other brand, because they actually gold plated it on silver. They do a 22 karat gold plating on sterling silver, which is 5 times thicker than any other brands. That means your jewelry pieces are going to last very long. I also feel like that I can wear it in my ring finger as well, pairing it up with another, gold ring. How beautiful it looks. Also have the option to pick it up in white gold. So for most of their jewelry pieces, you have yellow gold and white gold option. So some people are all about white gold, so you have that options too. I was always curious about the brand name actually, and I came to know that linear is actually a Norwegian word that means line, and it actually refers to their very, simple design. Jewelry pieces actually represent the brand name perfectly. Actually, the core focus of the brand is sustainability. The brand has the jewelry pieces that are 100% recycled gold and silver material. Also, their packaging is sustainable and recyclable. The great news is that right now for Mother's Day you can get 25% off while you use my coupon code Sadia25, which is so wonderful. So this is actually for a limited time, so just grab your favorite pieces for 25% off. It is a great opportunity. Their pieces are actually very affordable, but when you use your coupon code you actually save more. So I would highly suggest you to grab your favorite pieces when you have the opportunity to save some. I hope you have got a pretty much idea of what Linear brand is and what you can expect from it. I highly recommend you to check this out. This is such a beautiful brand. They have these all elegant pieces, and I see myself obviously collecting more and more pieces from this beautiful brand because they're so beautiful, so like me, and I'm pretty sure that those who watches my video, you're going to love these pieces. Most of you are like, love my style and shop similar to me. We have like similar minds, right? So I'm pretty sure you're going to check this website, this brand, and pick up your favorite pieces. Before I end this video here today, I wish you all again a very happy Mother's Day. I hope you get your favorite jewelry pieces and enjoy and celebrate your favorite day. So I end this video here today, and I will see you next time on my next video. Bye.